On your deep water drilling rig, do you find yourself consistently repairing your riser bolting wrenches? Are the repair bills breaking your budget? I'm Josh Francis, VP of Sales at TorqLite. Let me tell you how we can help. The unknowns in any project can be amongst the most frustrating and costly things, particularly for project managers to deal with. So what we've tried to do here at TorqLite when it comes to our riser tools is take that out of the equation. Take the unknown and turn it into the known. So take a product that may be functioning at a subpar level and make sure it's always functioning at the absolute maximum quality level that it can be. So with that in mind, we've created what we call the RTMP, the TorqLite Riser Tool Maintenance Plan. It will cover any repairs that you have to your wrench, annual calibrations. So it will cover any upgrades that you have to your riser tools. We even offer an exchange on those tools. So if you wanted to send your tools off the rig to us, we will have like new riser tools ready to go, calibrated, fixed up, and in perfect working condition that we can put onto the same truck that arrives at our facility as the tools that needed repairs that you sent to us. If this sounds like a program that you think your rig could benefit from, please contact us. We'd love to have a conversation with you about it, send you a proposal, and discuss the details, but I promise, it really is as comprehensive and simple as I am making it sound right now. So I hope we hear from you. Thank you for your business.